Welcome back. Opening scene. The 2025 BMW 7 Series is a statement of luxury, technology, and performance wrapped in a sleek, sophisticated package. BMW has taken its flagship sedan to new heights, combining cutting-edge innovation with classic German engineering to deliver a driving experience that's as refined as it is exhilarating. Right from the first glance, the 7 Series commands attention. The massive kidney grille, now more sculpted and illuminated, gives it an unmistakable presence on the road. The sharp LED headlamps, seamlessly integrated into the front fascia, add a modern, aggressive touch. The aerodynamic lines flow smoothly along the body, leading to a sleek rear with bold LED taillights and a subtle lip spoiler. Every inch of this sedan is designed to exude elegance and power. Under the hood, the 2025 7 Series offers multiple powertrains to cater to different driving styles. The base model comes with a turbocharged inline-6 engine producing an impressive 375 horsepower, offering a perfect balance of power and efficiency. Step up to the 760iX drive, and you get a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 with 536 horsepower, launching this luxury sedan from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds. But for those who want cutting-edge efficiency, BMW's i7 model delivers an all-electric experience with up to 650 horsepower and a range of around 300 miles. Whether you prefer traditional combustion or electrified performance, the 7 Series has an option for you. Inside, the 7 Series is a technological masterpiece. BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 infotainment system is housed in a massive curved display that stretches across the dashboard, seamlessly integrating the digital gauge cluster and central touch screen. The system supports voice commands, gesture controls, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But the real highlight, the optional 31-inch 8K BMW theater screen that folds down from the roof, transforming the rear cabin into a private cinema. Paired with the premium Bowers Wilkins Diamond surround sound system, this setup delivers an entertainment experience unlike anything else in the segment. Luxury is at its peak with high-quality materials everywhere you look. Hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood trims, and crystal-like controls elevate the cabin to a new level of sophistication. The executive lounge seating in the rear offers fully reclining seats with a massage function, a footrest, and individual touch-screen controls, ensuring passengers enjoy first-class comfort. Driving the 7 Series is where BMW's engineering truly shines. The adaptive air suspension glides effortlessly over any road surface, making every ride feel smooth and composed. Rear-wheel steering enhances maneuverability in tight spaces while improving stability at high speeds. And with advanced driver assistance features like hands-free highway driving and adaptive cruise control, the 7 Series delivers not just luxury but also peace of mind. BMW has also focused on sustainability, using recycled materials in the cabin and improving energy efficiency across all models. The i7, in particular, benefits from BMW's latest battery technology, allowing for fast charging and extended range without compromising performance. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 BMW 7 Series starts around $96,000 for the base 740i, while the V8-powered 760iX drive comes in at approximately $122,000. The fully electric i7 models push past $140,000, especially with added luxury and tech packages. While it's a significant investment, the level of craftsmanship, innovation, and driving pleasure justifies the cost. In a world where luxury sedans must balance performance, comfort, and technology, the 2025 BMW 7 Series proves that you don't have to compromise. Whether you're drawn to the power of a V8, the refinement of an inline-6, or the futuristic appeal of an all-electric drivetrain, this flagship sedan delivers on every front. So, what do you think of the new 7 Series? Is it the ultimate luxury sedan, or would you take something else in this price range? Let me know in the comments below.